How to use the color match feature in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project and go to the color workspace where you will find the color grading tools. Locate the color match panel on the left side. If you don't see it, click on the color match icon to reveal it. Next, select the clip you want to color correct. In the viewer, make sure your reference color chart is visible in the shot. This could be a standard color checker or any reference chart you use during filming. After that, choose the chart type from the drop-down menu in the color match panel, matching the one you have in your footage, such as X-Rite color checker or similar. Now, click on the match button. DaVinci Resolve will automatically analyze the color chart and apply a correction to balance the colors according to the reference. You can then fine-tune the grade manually using the primary wheels and auto color tools to get the exact look you want. Finally, after applying the color match, review your footage to ensure the colors look natural and consistent with your overall project style. And that's it. Now you know how to use the color match feature in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.